So this is how you can write a document on your MacBook, right? So at first we need to have some sort of software which is capable of creating new documents. By default, you should have the Pages software installed on your Mac. So if you open up your launcher or the All Apps view, you should be able to find the Pages, which is like the orange icon, which you can tap on. It asks you to open a specific document, but you can tap on a new document and you can start writing from scratch, right? So it looks like a Word. You have some basic templates which you can pick from, or even more, advanced as you go on. So you can go ahead and just play around with it if you have some specific things which you want to go with, but essentially you can start a new document like that. You can type whatever text you want to, and then also you can export it and save it to your folders and have it as a finished document, right? Naturally, this is just the Apple's built-in document software. Besides that, you also have plenty of different options to go with, like you can download of course, Microsoft Word and many other like text editors which can get the job done. But at first, I would recommend you to just try it out. It just works good enough. If you don't want to download anything or get started on any new software using this, you can also just also tweak existing documents if you have some of them. But that's basically how it works, and that's all that I wanted to let you know about. Check out the rest of the channel, as I have some MacBook playlists available where you can just browse some other Mac related content and you might find it useful. So go ahead and check it out, and also subscribe so you never miss another video like this. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.